The Storm Prediction Center has issued a slight risk for severe weather today for our area. Threats today include large hail and damaging winds. Stay weather aware and have a way to receive warnings. We're tracking 5 active weather alerts across North Alabama and Southern Tennessee. 3 severe thunderstorm warnings, 1 special weather statement, and 1 severe thunderstorm watch. A severe thunderstorm warning is inches effect for Colbert, Alabama, Lawrence, Alabama, Limestone, Alabama, Madison, Alabama. The dangerous storm is currently over Gurley, approaching from the north. Expect 60-mile-per-hour winds. Take shelter and stay tuned for updates. A severe thunderstorm warning